Hi everyone, my name is Mbaza and welcome to my channel. Hope you're enjoying the holiday season. Now what we have in front of us is the live market. It doesn't matter what pair it is, the process is still the same. And in this video, I am going to share that process with you. But before I do that, I want you to take 3 deep breaths and ask yourself the question, why am I doing what I'm doing? This will help you slow down and focus. This is the process of how to learn, and I'm going to give you what to learn. So pause this video and do that, please. Once you're done, come back to this video. Welcome back. So glad you can join me. What I want you to do is open your browser and type in trade like this, 3 quotes, bankers concepts. Press enter. It's a YouTube video. If you haven't watched it, I want you to go watch this video right here. I want you to go watch this video right here. Trade like this, 3 quotes, bankers concepts. You can type it into YouTube, it'll still come up. But if you haven't already seen this video, I want you to go see this video. If you have already seen this video, continue with this video. But if you haven't, pause this video, watch this video first, and you'll see the reason why in a minute. So do that, please, and I'll see you on the other side. For those that are coming back from the other video, welcome back. For those that are continuing with this video, let's get it on. What I want you to think of right now is I want you to dance with the market. This is like a dance, Take the win or lose mentality out and throw it way out, because if you dance with the market, you have more chance of coming out on top. So dance with the market. Just flow with the market. In my last video, this is what I was talking about. We were right here, this area, yeah? And if you look at this area right now, follow this line, it came all the way into that area. And it reacted in this area. Just by looking at it, that's about 200 pips. So let's measure this distance from where it reacted. It's about 250 pips if you can look at it right now. So it did give us some pips. And if you don't know what pips are, as a trader, you're going to get in trouble. So please, if you don't know what pips are, there's a link in the description. Follow that link. Now, when it reacted right in this area, you could have, if you're a 20 pip trader, you could have easily got 20 pips. Easily got 30 pips if you're a 30 pip trader. You easily got 100 pips if you wanted that. We're in the bull market right now. Why do I say this? Because this market keeps making higher highs and higher lows. And maybe we could go further up. Yeah. Oh, we can react in this area and come back down. Oh, we can react in this area and come back down. That area up there. So we're no longer looking at this area. We're looking at that area. Look at that area. If you look at that area, that reacted like maybe 100 pips. If I look at that, that's almost 100 pips. Let's measure this, going back. This market is going up. Are we going to break this area? Maybe, or maybe not. If we do break this area, well, if we do, we will look at, I'm going to look at that area or this area on top right here. Going up, if we look at this area and that area and that area, which it came back to, this area might have come back into that, and I'm looking at this area right on top. So right now, this area right here is important. That area right there is important. Now, does this work all the time? No. But if you learn to dance with the market, it'll work in your favor. Let me show you an example where it didn't work. Right here in this area. It came and it blew right through this area. So it didn't work out. Does it work out 100%? No, but the amount of times that it works out, it is really, really good. Look at that area, worked out there. This area, worked out there, came back there twice. This area, it worked there, came back there. This area, it came back there, reacted in that area. Maybe you could have gotten 100 pips in that area. It did not work in this area, but you get the point. So that area hasn't yet been, that area hasn't yet been, that has been, that area hasn't yet been. So it's area after area. So that's why I say this is a dance, not a win or lose. It's a dance, and you have to learn how to dance with the market. So going forward, what are we looking at? Like I said, this area is important, and this area is important. Looking at this area and that area. So we're looking at a plan of action. Following this market is like breathing. Like it goes up and down over and over again. It's just like breathing. Just like, okay, it might react from this area, it might react from that area, and you're planning your trades. You're planning your trades and you're planning your success in trading. And trade after trade, as long as you follow your plan, you will be able to take in profit. That's all I have for you in this video. What I want you to do right now is take 3 deep breaths and ask yourself, what have I learned from this? And when you're done with that, I want you to make your own notes. Watch this video over and over again until you get the concept. Share and like this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful holiday season.